Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working on Discord for Windows. There are a couple of different steps, so try not to skip them. Okay, this is usually stemmed from blocked mic access. How do you solve this? Go to the search bar, type in settings. On the left hand side you're going to see privacy and security. Click on that and scroll down until you see something called microphone. Click on that and make sure that the mic has access to your the app Discord has access to your microphone. Make sure everything is on that you want to be on. After you have done that, open up Discord, and on the bottom left you're gonna see user settings. Click on that. On the left hand side you're gonna see something called voice and video. Click on that and make sure that the mic input is correct. You can click on whatever mic you want to use or the default mic. And by the way, you probably want to click on voice activity input mode if it isn't already. Set this input sensitivity to automatic. And if you want to reset everything, what you can do is click on the debugging thing right here and click on reset voice and video settings to reset all of the settings back to default. Maybe that will help you. Okay, on the bottom right, if it still isn't fixed, you want to click on sound, this little sound thing here, and go to sound settings and scroll down until you see input and make sure that the mic is the correct mic that you want to use and the volume is, well, certain. Ideally it's about 70%, but I have mine at 25%, so make sure that that is okay. Next, what you can do is run Windows Audio troubleshooting. So go to search, go to settings, left hand side go to system, from here go to troubleshoot, from here go to other troubleshooters, and then from here scroll down until you see audio, not audio, yes audio. Click on audio and that will run through the troubleshooting thing and follow everything on screen to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing that you can try, go into search, type in device manager. Under audio inputs and outputs, find whatever mic that you are using, right click on it and click on update driver. After you've done that, click on search automatically for drivers to see if that fixes the issue. Also, what you can do is try to go to Windows security, oops, not that one, Windows security, click on Windows security, find the firewall and network protection, public network is active, turn that off temporarily to see if that fixes the issue. Last but not least, what you can do is go to run, type in run in search, by the way, type in %, app data, %, press enter and scroll down, and if you see a Discord folder, you can delete the Discord folder and then reinstall it from the latest discord.com and then set it up again in voice and video settings. Okay, if this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.